You see, I saw this news and I just started smiling. This formal National Health Insurance Scheme boss is asking a very important question here.
We must learn it.
Despite the recent economic challenges in the country, why is it that the Igbo man is keeping quiet? Because in recent times, there have been an uproar in the country because of rising economic hardship, inflation, rising cost of living, hunger, you know. Some people are even protesting in some part of the west and the north.
Okay.
But the Igbo man in southeast Nigeria is just quietly carrying on his activities as if nothing is happening.
Really?
And this man is asking why.
For what? Why?
Is there something they are doing that they are not telling us? Why are they not complaining?
This world can be something else.
You see, in this life, some people are wondering why you are still smiling despite everything they have done to you. And may you continue to surprise them.
Amen.
Why are Igbos keeping quiet? It's like the federal government is singing, share them go feel it.
This man!
Them go feel this hunger.
Jay!
And the Igbo man is singing, I'm unavailable. Them no go see.
When I want to explain it, my head will be headache.
Why are the Igbos keeping quiet?
You don't know.
I remember sometime last year, some people said they are going to teach the Igbos a lesson during the election.
Funny people.
And right now, all of us are in the same classroom learning the same lesson together.
Yeah!
May you not end up learning the bulk of the lesson you are trying to teach another person.
But you hope another defeat day you learn.
Why are the Igbos keeping quiet? Now, the truth of the matter is that the Igbo man is keeping quiet. Not because he's not feeling the harsh economic realities.
You get it?
Not because this condition is not affecting him. But because someone that has seen 99, what is 100? If there is anybody that has the inbuilt ability to survive and thrive in any environment and any economy, that person is the Igbo man. I'm not saying it because I'm Igbo. I'm saying it because it is a fact.
Continue.
Our people say that no matter the economy of a jungle, the children of a lion can never eat grass.
Learn a lesson.
If you have taken your time to study the story of the Igbos in Nigeria, especially during the war, you will understand the type of people you are dealing with.
You don't know why it's...
I'm not here to tell you the stories of the war because you should have known it already. And if you don't know it, I won't blame you because they don't teach us history in school anymore.
Man know that.
But you heard how Igbos fought for 30 months without any foreign aid or support.
God will see us.
How they were able to develop their own weapons, their own communication gadgets, their own automobiles, built their own airports, and we are able to develop a local means of refining crude oil. Wow. But that one is not the story for today. The main story is what happened after the war. When this Nigerian Biafran civil war ended on the 15th of January 1970, there was this no victor, no vanquished speech. But the Igbo land was in rubble. Towns and villages, markets, schools, churches, farmlands were destroyed. It was like the fallen walls of Jericho.
God have mercy.
Like rebuilding a city from the scratch. And despite that no victor, no vanquished speech, that promise to reintegrate the Igbos into Nigeria, the government started with their policies, the federal government of Nigeria then. First, they brought in this banking policy, where all the bank accounts that were operated by the Igbo was nullified, and every Igbo man got 20 pounds, irrespective of how much you had in the bank account. People lost their farmlands, their houses, all their properties, and the only money they could hold on to were taken away, and they got only 20 pounds.
For what? Why?
As if that was not enough, the federal government then placed a ban on the importation of second-hand clothes and stockfish. And these were the two major commodities that were traded in the commercial towns of Onitsha, Nnewi, and Aba. They were afraid that these commodities would form the basis for rebuilding the economic hub of the southeast. As if that was not enough, in 1974, they brought this indigenization policy, where shares and stocks owned by foreigners in businesses being run in Nigeria were to be relinquished to local interests. And they did this knowing that the Igbos has been defeated. They have no money and their economy has been battered, so they don't have the financial muscle to participate in acquiring these stocks, which these foreign holders were supposed to relinquish to Nigerians. And those from the west and the north took center stage in acquiring all these stocks, which shifted the economic balance of the Nigeria to these two main regions. 1974 to 2024. That is 50 years. Then come to any part of Igbo land and see if it looks like anywhere that was destroyed 50 years ago.
There's nothing to show for it.
Come and see how the Igbos, with their toil and their sweat, has been able to rebuild their economies and make it one of the fastest growing in Africa.
I never
Go to Onitsha, to Aba, to Owerri, to different cities in Igbo land and see things for yourself. People that survived all these incidents, it is now the high cost of dollar that they are going to hit their head on the wall over.
Not lie.
Somebody that has seen Bala Blue, what is Bulaba that he cannot handle?
This man.
All of us are going to feel this into this country together.